Take a little bit of that taco meat you just baked up. Put a little bit on each one of them. Okay. Alright, now we're going to take it, put it right on top, and we're going to fold it over like so. Make sure it's all nice and tight as a blankie. Okay. Alright. All nice and tight. Now we're going to wrap all these other ones just like so. Alright, we got them in here. See? All in there. 10 minutes for 375, and we will see how those turn out.
Extract I feel like you did one for 2 weeks.